So I found this hilarious. They already have a full feeder over there. But I just set this one up out here just to store extra dog food because they eat so much. And whenever I fill a feeder up, Ladybird tries to keep Hank from eating. Who you growling at? Watch out, dogs. Why are you growling at him? Quit. Go get some dog food. But she never does anything, but she just growls at them. Eventually they get in there and start eating, but she just... They're so silly. You're a bully. Hank, quit it. Silly dogs. That's the most I've ever seen her do. But Hank's not dumb enough to try to lick her on her face when she's growling like that. Teaching Jenny some lessons today. Oh, they crack me up.